Yo, what is up, y'all? Thank y'all for tuning back into the video. If you're new here, or you're back, you just want to you don't remember the last video, let me give you guys a little refresher of what's going on with the G35 right now. So, this is my $500 G35 that I not only done some repairs, some of them are a little bit questionable. I've done the wrap. That's like the most noticeable thing on the car. Front grille got painted. Front badge is wrapped with the little blue emblem. That is sick. I got the new wheels on the car. We did do the full interior as well. So now we went from a full stock tan interior, a little basic like subpar luxury, to a full luxury interior with a red seats, black carbon fiber, black suede, carbon fiber details. It looks amazing. The headlights even got cleared up. I don't have the hazy, stock. I mean, they're basically stock having hazy headlights on G35 because that's like everyone. But y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Let's keep it pushing right now because today we got an exhaust for the G35. Now, I didn't go the route of going a full exhaust. I'm not gonna lie. I did go with just a muffler. So if you don't know, this car actually has a muffler delete. Somebody just cleanly cut it off. Even though the muffler literally does have, like the OEM one does have bolts that is unbolted. They still cut it off. I don't know what happened. I understand, I had to cut it on my car. If you guys seen that video, it wasn't the prettiest of things to see. It was kind of messy. But I hope I don't got to do that today. I'm sure, clean up the metal and whatnot. But I do have new muffler to put on. I do got to fix the white pipe, y'all, because the white pipe in this car is super cooked. Now, I bought like some kind of exhaust wrap repair kit, like for holes and stuff. I don't know if it's going to work, but it might. What the heck is that? Yo, I just see look at the super big spider, y'all. Yo, homie got it. He on the car. It's his car at this point. Anyways, y'all, keeping it pushing. Do guys some stuff. So, let me show y'all. Got this armor wrap. I don't know if it's gonna hold the white pipe together. To be completely honest with y'all, I'm not sure. Am I confident in it? Maybe slightly. It honestly, in my opinion, I'm not looking for like a complete, 100% fix. Lifetime fix. Something that needs to be held together now. But let's turn the car on. Let's experience what the G35 sounds like on the startup, y'all. Let's experience it right now. If I can find my tripod. Alright, so while the car is warming up right now, I'm gonna go give you guys a little walk around what's going on. So yeah, kind of understand why I'm fixing some stuff. One, the motor is kind of loud, low key, but I don't think that's really just the motor sound. The problem I think I'm having is this right here. I can't find it. Bruh. There it is. So the wide pipe is like hanging open, and that's where most of the sound is actually coming from right now. Most of the sound is just like coming out to that side from the wide pipe. When you come back here, because this is not a true dual exhaust. This is still just a dual X pipe setup down to a single outlet right there. There's not much coming out that single outlet because of all the sounds muffling and everything in between that. This spider is scaring me, yo. I gotta get rid of this guy. Is the car warmed up, y'all? It's getting a little warm. Let's give it a little baby revs. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty sure most of the sound y'all gonna hear is actually not even from back here. It's probably from all the way up there. We'll see. I see the little white smoke though. That's good. That's good. Keep it up. Alright, y'all, this is that little POV. I gotta clean, don't look at the screen. I gotta clean that screen. I don't know what those little white spots are. I'm hoping it's not mold, but we gotta clean that. And look, we have an AC control working. Look at this. What happened? I pressed the wrong thing? Oh, there we go. Boy, AC motor kinda loud, G. of stinky. Need a new cabin filter for sure, but it's cold. It get cold, G. It's still blowing cold air, I'll tell you that. Temperatures are holding really good too. Is it focusing? There we go. Let's give it a little rev, I'm gonna turn it off. AC kind of stink, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. Oh, look at this. It still has like the color changing like mirror. Like, that's crazy. This is 2005. It still has a color changing mirror. You don't have to do like the whole flip switch stuff. Wow. And it has a little garage access stuff. Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, there's some burbles. There's some burbles, but it's gonna sound even better with an actual exhaust. Let's go get that fixed. Yo, we under here. The quality's kind of bad. I'm in the corner of the frame right now. I'm not even in the good screen. Like, I'm like, if you have the little grids in the box, I'm in that bottom box. This is bad right now. I thought this would bend easily. I just slid this back, thinking I could just, bend it back into shape and like line this up because it's a gap right here. But it's not. So I'm gonna try a little heat persuasion. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. See if that like helps it like bend. Just that. We're not gonna do no more. Let's see if I heard something. I heard some noise or something. Oh damn! Oh, it didn't burn me, but damn, my gloves started smoking, yo. Oh, it bends now. Okay, it does work. How can I need some tools. Mouse tool time. All right, y'all. Heat persuasion is back out again. I'm using some pliers as well to try to bend it back in place. My goal right now is just to get the flex pipe to line up with the part that it did cut off from. And, some point down the road, we'll go in and we'll replace this with a new Y pipe. Maybe a full new exhaust. Who knows? I don't know. But for now, this should hold. Let's just get the tape on it. All right, y'all. So this is, so we got unwrap. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I just read the instructions. I'm supposed to mix water in this. So you tear the sides, pour water in it, you squeeze it up. Well, you squeeze it, a couple times. Then you drain the water and squeeze the water out of it, and then you wrap it. Because the temperature today is like around 77 degrees. It's like 75 or something like that, like 78, whatever. I have 8 minutes, y'all. 8 minutes only to do this. So, all right, y'all. So with an 8-minute time crunch, I had to get to work. So using the wrap was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, honestly. I thought it was pretty going to straightforward. Just, wrap around the material and it starts doing this thing. But it really wasn't that straightforward, to be honest. It took a little time. I tried to heat up the edges to see if they will hold, but that didn't really help. So, as you see, like, it didn't really work. Y'all, so this is everything back here that I need to install this exhaust. So, we got, butt connectors, butt exhaust clamp connectors, exhaust hangers. I have a curved exhaust connector, lap joint connector, I think it's called, and the muffler. Muffler's pretty sick, y'all. I can't show you. I want to show you. Yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned. Look into that. Right. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work. I mean, I got a lot of space under here though, so I should be Gucci. Let's see if we got this. All right, y'all. So a little background on what I'm doing right now. I'm actually cutting down the original exhaust and making sure that the surface is flat for the connectors to fit onto. That way, when I do put the connectors, I don't have to worry about too much uneven surface. And then I also did measure up the muffler to make sure I had enough space to actually connect it to where I needed to go, because I needed to, get to the back of the bumper. But I kind of realized it was a little bit too short. So, y'all, had to make a store run. And we're back. Now, I went to AutoZone, made a run at AutoZone, got some stuff. I think these should help. So I got like these two, like this adapter and a connector. That's one. I got 2 exhaust clamps. So what I'm going to do is clamp this right here, hold that together, then use one of these clamps to hold it down, and, on that side right there, and then it should be long enough to get the tailpipe out. It should actually stick out, hopefully, y'all. So bear with me as I try to get this stuff together. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. I got a little technique. Hey, y'all, earlier in the video I said y'all could flame me, right? I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take these stickers off but I can't get mine off, bro. Like, these stickers are like damn near like welded onto the exhaust, bro. It's because we were sitting in the store for so long. Try to use alcohol, just took paint off, you know. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. It's not like it's gonna like catch on fire, like do anything crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's probably just gonna burn off. That's my guess. I'm gonna use these clamps. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it. Let's see if I could get it. All right, y'all. So with all the clamps that I have and the muffler, I have hopefully enough to get everything jigged back up and to have some kind of working muffler exhaust setup. But y'all, let's see if I actually was able to accomplish the goal of installing this muffler. I don't know yet. I don't know, y'all. Looks a little odd. I wish I just had like a slight more bend, bro. Just like a little bit more. But maybe it's also because I'm so used to having like an OEM exhaust setup. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put it all together. We're gonna see how it looks. Let's tighten it down. I'll actually make sure everything's tight and start it up, and then I'll see how I feel. Yeah, one, had to ditch the hat. My hat kept falling off. But two, we got the exhaust on. I'm curious what it's gonna sound like. I thought it's gonna sound different. The wide pipe is patched up, so that's questionable in my opinion, honestly. I'm not too sure how that's gonna hold up over time, but the exhaust is on, y'all. Let's look from the back, yo. It looked a little like a race exhaust system to me. That's some kind of racing shit, right? That's that. I'm gonna send you the Gappa Bees, but it's alright. We're gonna see. Yo, no cap, y'all. One, it's about to start pouring, y'all. Like, I'm talking like, it just got dumb cloudy, bro. Like, dumb cloudy. Like, I'm sitting here, as soon as I finish, bro, dumb cloudy. Two, check engine light came on, y'all. It said power supply. I'm pretty sure it's because of my battery. I had this before when I had the old battery. Like, when the old battery was giving out, it had the same problem. Like, the check engine light came on and it was like low power. So I'm pretty sure that's like an electrical thing. But, hey, these. Oh my god, bro, that just break the G, bro. I see it, bro. I see the smoke, bro.